Hey, what's up? I'm Mara, and today I'm going to show you a ridiculously easy way to turn any YouTube video into scroll-stopping clips with basically one click. If you make long-form content for YouTube, you already know exactly how much hard work goes into recording and editing. Recutting everything into vertical, finding the spicy moments, adding captions, and resizing takes hours. But you really do not need to re-record or spend a full day reformatting your content for other platforms. There's a much smarter path, and I've been using a powerful tool to blow through this exact workflow in just a few minutes. Okay, let's get some quick context before we dive in. Short, vertical videos are still absolutely eating the internet right now. They are hands down the easiest way to get new viewers and drive traffic back to your main channel. If you already have a backlog of long videos, this tool will automatically find the best moments for you. It turns those raw files into ready-to-post short clips and even helps you schedule them so you can stay consistent without the burnout. Alright, here is the one-click flow to get started immediately. First, open your editor, whether you are on desktop or mobile, and hit the Create button to start a new project. Choose the option to import a video from a link, then simply paste the YouTube URL of the video you want to chop up. Pro tip: this system handles pretty long uploads, so if your video is anywhere from 10 minutes to a couple hours, you're in the sweet spot. The software will pull a preview image, then you hit import and the real magic starts happening. It uses AI to automatically scan the whole video and find the moments that have the highest potential to perform as shorts. We are talking about the aha moments, emotional peaks, jokes, and strong callouts that stop someone mid-scroll. It doesn't just slice at random timestamps, but looks at cadence, speaking emphasis, and sound peaks to pick the highest engagement parts. Depending on how long the source is, it might take a little while to process, but you don't have to babysit it at all. The app will notify you when your highlight clips are ready for review. When the clips are done, the platform shows you a clean lineup of auto-edited shorts. You can swipe through them, use the arrow keys to preview each pick, and quickly trim if you want the clip to be tighter. Want to remove a clip entirely, you can just uncheck it. Want it shorter, just drag the handles on the timeline. Each chosen clip gets saved as its own mini project, so if you want to add a caption style or drop in B-roll, you can. And yes, it automatically reframes the footage for vertical, so you don't have to war with cropping and zooming manually. One of the best parts is definitely the captions. The AI auto-generates captions that are already perfectly timed, but you can jump into the editor and tweak the copy, fonts, and colors. Want a fast caption-first style that matches current trends? It is done in seconds. Prefer subtle, small captions for a cinematic clip? That is also done easily. Need music? There is a built-in library, and you can even add your own audio track too. It even suggests background sounds that specifically fit the clip's mood. Now, let's talk about scheduling and making this sustainable for your growth. This is where this tool really separates itself from basic editors. Apps that just extract clips are helpful, but you still have to manually post and decide when to publish. Here, you can set how often you want clips posted, and it will queue them up to publish automatically. You pick the times, or let the AI optimize posting windows for maximum engagement. That means once you've got a stack of clips, you can set it and forget it and let the system drip them out consistently. And if you're managing multiple platforms or a team, the content calendar is a total game changer. You can see every scheduled clip, rearrange posts with drag and drop, and edit captions per platform. You can publish directly to all major channels from one single dashboard. No more juggling separate apps or manually copy-pasting captions for every single post. If you're running a channel and also helping clients, that calendar keeps everything organized and reduces human errors. Compare that to other options that might charge per clip or slap watermarks on your exports. With this system, the idea is to cover the whole pipeline from discovery to edit to scheduling. This lets creators focus on making great content not on admin work. A couple of quick workflow tips I've picked up. If your source video is interview style, let the AI pull multiple clips. For tutorials, pick the most demonstrative sections and add short text overlays pointing out the key takeaway. And don't be afraid to mix formats, using one clip as a straight cut and another with quick zooms to test what resonates. You can also batch process multiple videos by importing a few links at once. That is especially useful if you're trying to post daily or multiple times a week. Instead of spending hours a week editing, you can prepare a month of shorts in just a couple of sessions. Privacy and control matter too, so you decide which clips actually go live. If you're collaborating with editors, you can invite teammates and leave notes on projects. This project-based system gives you draft control so nothing goes out before you are ready. Okay, one last practical walkthrough before we wrap this up. Import the video. Let the AI extract highlights, review and deselect the ones you don't like, and trim the ones you want tighter. Customize your captions, add music, and optionally add a branded intro or end card. Then either export it manually or send it straight to the auto scheduler. If you prefer manual post-review, just use the content calendar to finalize dates and times before hitting publish. If you like this style of breakdown, I have more videos showing quick editing tricks and caption best practices. Honestly, repurposing long-form content is the easiest growth lever a creator has right now. This system makes it repeatable without needing to become an expert editor or hire a massive team. So there you go. That's how you go from a single long video to a stack of ready-to-post clips in minutes, not days. Use the AI to find viral moments, polish the captions, and use the scheduler to post consistently. Try it on your most recent video and watch which moments get the most traction. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future breakdowns. Drop a comment below about what kind of videos you want me to convert next, and I will show you a few pro tips for each. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Stay creative.